afraid of revolution? Man, why we are afraid of revolution? Man, why we are afraid of revolution? Black man, come here to be a tribulation. Black man, come here to fight liberation. Time for we have a revolution. Man said a time for we have a revolution. For Babylon, them a keep up corruption. Oh, them a hold Natty Jed in a detention. Say them a shoot up Jaja children, it no mention. Said every day we get up and we grumble. Man, every day we get up and we humble. We too soft, we too soft.